What do we want? Justice! 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 What do we want? Justice! 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 غیرتی خدای خوشبیتلی نامه. The whole world knows, and now it's all documented, that what happened on September 11th. Even after Taliban and innocent people were taken to Guantanamo Bay, they are all released without any charge or proof of guilt. We Afghans look at the 40 years of conflict, which is in reality a proxy war between the United States and its allies in the previous USSR, which is now only Russia. Russians invaded Afghans, they killed us in millions, they used their proxies, and they used their puppets. On the same token, the United States of America and its allies supported warlords, human rights violators, and mass murderers, and they continued this mass killing of Afghans. For the past 40 years, we have lost millions. Millions of our people were driven out of their land. Millions were made. And more than 2.5 million people are addicted. Now we see at this whole of 40 years of our killing, it seems we are victims of a genocide. Why? Why are we being killed on a daily basis? Why at night raids our brides and grooms and children and civilians are being killed, targeted, knowingly targeted? Why our funerals, weddings, hospitals, and public places are being bombed mercilessly? The same was done by the Russian army. When Russians invaded Afghanistan, they were mercilessly killing our innocent people on mass scale. And the same is happening for the past 14 years. It's not only the United States Army and night raids and drones are killing our people. On the same token, their allied warlords, human rights violators, such as Dostum, Mohammed, Abdullah, and hundreds of other killers have been financed, supported by United States dollars, and they are mercilessly killing Afghanistan. All the papers, all the documents just prove the guilt, mass murder, and human rights violations of these mass murderers. Instead of being punished, they are brought to power. As Socrates says, doing wrong is evil. We agree with that. Leaving the wrongdoer unpunished is the greatest evil of all. We agree with this one as well. But we Afghans, after our killing, we have sensed that making the wrongdoer the ruler of the victim is the mother of the greatest evil of all. Why the United States and its allies are making the wrongdoer our rulers like Dostum, Mahathir and Abdullah, and creating the mother of the greatest evil of all. How could you morally justify it? On the same token, our people are mercilessly killed, butchered by Pakistan's ISI's direct hand, which are Taliban, Haqqani and Gulbudi. They butcher our people, and they are all condemning. This is all part of our genocide. We condemn all the killings of our people. We see two United States. We see two NATOs. We see two Pakistans. We see two insurgencies. One United States, which is built on Abraham Lincoln's values, which they fought against slavery, which they supported Nelson Mandela against apartheid. And there is another United States which is supporting human rights violators, mass murderers, Pakistan's evil army, and the killing of Afghans, doing nitrates, killing my innocent people, killing my children, and making the wrongdoers our rulers. The same is done with NATO. There is one NATO when we live here, part of it is United Kingdom. We are given human values, we feel our rights, but there is another NATO which is supporting the human rights violators, doing nitrate bombings in our country, seems to be occupied and oppressed. The same as Pakistan. We see one Pakistan neighbor, Muslim brother. Punjab is our neighbor country. They want to live, they want to prosper. And we see another Punjab. We see another evil army. For the past 60 years, they are implementing burning Kabul strategy, which have burned our villages, destroyed our values, destroyed our country, and they are the mother of all terrorists. And they, even proudly on television, they say, Musharraf quoted saying, oh, the Taliban, Ikhwan, Al-Qaeda, all these people are their heroes. And the United States will support them. And there is one Afghan who is being bombed, who is being maimed, who is being tortured, whose family is being raped by warlords, who is being bombed. He is a victim. He is being forced to take a part. And he is called Talib. No, he's not a Talib. No, he's not a terrorist. He wants justice.
We want justice! Justice now! Justice now!
We want justice!
Justice now! Justice now!
What do we want?
Justice now! Justice now!
What do we want?
Justice now! Justice now!
What do we want?
Justice now! Justice now!
And there is another project which is run under the name of Talib, Gulbuddin or Haqqani. It is ISI. General McMullen himself has said these terrorists are trained in Pakistan, which kill Afghan people, and also international community staff there. They are the extended hand of terrorists in ISI. And still CIA in America is supporting them, sending in billions of dollars in aid, and call them allies. Now why? It seems to us It is a project, it's a new great game being played on our blood and on the taxpayer money of United States, Europeans and other countries to show it is a real problem. There is no real problem. Both sides of the conflict are controlled by the American elite, and the American people and the international community is unaware of it. Because the same project is run because they want to use the pretext of insurgency and war on terrorism to sell arms. $1 trillion being spent. Where it went? Every American soldier had a budget of $1.3 million, while he was not taking over home more than $100,000. Where went the rest? To the power elite's pocket, to the arm manufacturing companies, to the secret services, and to some politicians. And the same is done on our blood. We want this new project to be over. Afghanistan's body has been taken in two pieces by evil Durand. We want the destruction of Durand Line. What do we want? Pakistan और ईरान के तहकरो डाले। पाकिस्तान और ईरान के तहकरो डाले। पाकिस्तान ईरान के तहकरो डाले। In Pakistan and Iran, the incubators of terrorists. Destroy them. The incubators of terrorists in Pakistan and Iran. It's evil.